Ever talked about something near your phone, only to see an ad for it moments later? That's not a coincidence. Your phone is constantly tracking what you do, listening to your conversations, and monitoring your searches. These settings are enabled by default, slowing down your phone, draining your battery, and worst of all, collecting your personal data without your permission. But don't worry, in just a few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to turn off these hidden tracking features. Let's get started. Step 1. Disable personalized tracking. Open Settings on your Android phone. Scroll down and tap Google. Tap All Services. Scroll to the Privacy and Security section. Now, tap on Personalize using shared data. You'll see a list of apps tracking your data. Turn them all off. Why is this important? These apps monitor everything you do and use your data for targeted ads. They drain battery life and slow down your phone. Your phone will be smoother and stop sharing your data unnecessarily. Step 2. Stop Google from spying on your usage. Here's what you need to do. Go back to the Privacy and Security section. Tap on Usage and Diagnostics. Here you'll see that your phone is sending your app activity, phone performance, and more to Google. Turn this off. Why should you disable this? Google collects data on how you use your phone. It causes battery drain and slows performance. Turning it off will improve speed and privacy. Your phone will use less background processing, making it more efficient. Step 3. Block ads and microphone tracking. Have you ever noticed ads pop up after talking about something? That's because your phone tracks what you write on your phone, what you search on the internet, your conversations using your microphone. How to stop this? Tap Ads and find Reset Advertising ID. Tap it and delete Advertising ID. Confirm the deletion, and now your phone will stop tracking your searches and conversations for targeted ads. You will no longer get creepy ads based on private conversations. Extra privacy protection. To take your privacy to the next level, do this. Go to App Permissions. Check which apps have microphone, camera, and location access. Disable access for apps that don't need it. Use a privacy-focused browser. Instead of Chrome, use DuckDuckGo or Brave for less tracking. Real-life test. Does this work? Before making these changes, try this. Say a random product name out loud near your phone. Open your browser or social media after a few minutes. Did you see an ad for it? Now, turn off these settings and try again. You'll see fewer or no ads based on your conversations. Now that you've disabled these hidden tracking features, your phone will be faster, more battery efficient, more private and secure. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button so more people can see this and protect themselves. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments if you noticed a difference after making these changes.